Welcome back to my channel, everybody. First, we will start off with the mag grip pull down. To do this exercise, you want to have a wide grip and make sure that your torso is upright and you're looking straight ahead. Retract your shoulder blades and then pull the bar down to your upper chest. And always make sure to squeeze your lats at the bottom of this move. Also, go follow my new Instagram account at LAURENDORRFITNESS. The support would really mean a lot. Next up, we will do the chest fly machine. To do this exercise, you want to sit up tall, relax your neck and your shoulders, and make sure that your feet are flat on the ground. Then you will want to press your arms together in front of your chest with a slow and controlled motion. Always make sure that you are keeping your elbows up to ensure that you are targeting your chest. Moving on, we will now do a seated cable row. To do this exercise, you want to grab the handlebar, scoot back until you have a slight bend in your knees. Pull the handle and the weight back towards your lower abdomen. Always make sure that while you're pulling the weight back, you're keeping your back straight and your shoulder blades squeezed together and sticking your chest out. Next up, we will do a cable chest fly. To do this exercise correctly, you want to take a few steps forward and create a split stance by placing one foot in front of the other. Make sure to keep a slight bend in your elbows and then pull your arms together, keeping constant tension. As you allow your arms to open back up, really feel that deep stretch in your chest and then repeat the movement. Now we will use the T-bar row machine. To do this exercise, you want to place your chest and abdomen on the pad of the T-bar machine. Then you will grab the handles with your preferred grip. Begin the movement by driving the elbows behind the body, while also retracting your shoulder blades. Focus on pulling the weight towards your body and slowly lowering it down in a controlled motion. Moving on, we will now do a barbell chest press. To do this exercise, you want to lay flat on your back and grip the bar with your hands just wider than shoulder width apart. Bring the bar down to your chest and explosively push up. Next up, we will do a dumbbell row. To do this exercise properly, you want to place your hand and knee on the bench, with your other foot out to the side to create a wide and stable base of support. To maximize your range of motion on any row, your torso should be close to perpendicular with the line of pull. Grab the dumbbell in the middle and lift your chest up while keeping your head neutral. Drag the dumbbell up in an arc towards your hips. Lastly, we will end this workout off with a cable pullover. To do this exercise, you want to grab the straight bar with an overhand grip, and your hands should be shoulder width apart. While keeping your arms straight, pull down, creating an arc while squeezing your shoulder blades together and keeping your core tight. And that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.